Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'm going to be building a sleek $300 custom keyboard. Just a quick disclaimer, most of the parts used for this build were sent over from the Key Company, where you can actually pick up any of the parts showcased in the video, but that will not in any way affect my opinions about them. To start off, I will be using the Portico68 Black Label, a beautiful anodized aluminum keyboard. It's a 68% gasket mounted board, and it uses very nice pre-applied pour-on gaskets. Included is an FR4 plate, some very nice plate and case foam, and a PCB with south-facing hot swap sockets and perky RGB that can be adjusted through VIA, though they're not individually adjustable. Included with the kit are C3s, screw and stabs. I used the included PCB stickers and I wire balanced, lubed, and wholly modded the stabilizers. After reassembling the case, I installed the switches. On the alphas are TKC's Kiwi tactile switches, and on the mods are Wuche Studio heavy tactiles. I ended up using an Akko Palm Silver for the spacebar since it sounds better, but we don't talk about that. Finally, I threw on epbt Miami Nights, which looks so good on the black case. Ironically, they're an ABS set, but here's how the board sounds. Overall, it sounds pretty good. There's a bit of hollowness to the board, which isn't too noticeable in real life, but it's still there. I think I may have slightly overlubed the Kiwis, which is my bad, but I think tape modding the PCB or using long pole switches would definitely help the sound. In terms of feel, it's gasket mounted and it uses a daughter board, but with the foam in the case, there's basically no flex. If you're searching for a softer typing experience, you could remove the case foam, and if you really wanted to, you could get your own plate made of something like polycarbonate or palm since the file is available on the website. The front height is not very high, and the 7-degree typing angle makes this board quite comfortable to type on. Looks wise, this board is really beautiful. The anodized finish is flawless and it feels very smooth. The only thing I would critique is the Portico label on the back. For the price, I would have expected something a little bit nicer, like maybe a brass or at least an aluminum badge on the back, but overall it's definitely not a deal breaker. As of building it, this board was $200, but it has since gone on sale for $160. I'm not sure how long this sale will last, but for that price it's a really good deal. Enough Kiwi tactiles to fill this board costs around $50, which is pretty mid-range, but in my opinion you would be better off with something like a Wuche Studio tactile switch, since those sound better and have a near-perfect factory lube application. epbt Miami Nights is a nice double-shot ABS keycap set that costs around $70 online, bringing the total cost of this build to $280 with the current sale or $320 with the standard kit pricing. That may seem like a lot, but for what you're getting, it's not a bad price. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and thank you TKC for sending these parts out. See you guys later. Bye!